Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect ribeye steak. First, select a quality ribeye, ideally 1.5 inches thick. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for a good sear. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, it forms a delicious crust. Next, let's get that incredible sear. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your seasoned ribeye in the hot pan. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust that locks in the juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Baste the steak continuously, spooning the melted butter mixture over it. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. Then, rest the steak for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your masterpiece. After resting, slice the ribeye against the grain into 1/2-inch thick pieces. This ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Arrange the slices on a plate and serve immediately with your preferred side dishes. You've just created a restaurant-quality ribeye steak right in your own kitchen. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.